it'll probably help out for accidents. I've seen a lot of accidents, and something like that makes a person see.
Those who drive and walk in downtown Santa Barbara have noticed the mid-block lights in the last few months have been changed out. The red light specifically is much larger than the other lights here or at the other corners. City crews have replaced the lights in the core downtown area, as seen in this city video.
A lot of the work involved upgrading the traffic signal LEDs from an 8-inch size to 12-inch. The surface area of the lights actually double when you go from 8-inch to 12-inch, so it's a lot more noticeable by drivers, and they're a lot less likely to run red lights. So just in general, we've noticed about a 30% decrease in collisions at a lot of those intersections.
I love that you have these crosswalks in the middle of the street, because a lot of times I want to get across the street and I don't want to go up to the corner, and anything for safety is great.
It is a problem. The way the sun comes in at an angle, it blocks the view of some drivers, and so they need a bright light.
From behind the wheel of our car, we took a look at the new lights and also saw how drivers sometimes overlook the middle of the road signals. State Street is full of distractions with the people, the trees, the shops, the flags, and if you're not paying attention right here in the middle of the block, you might miss that signal light. Just last week, a driver missed a light and there was a major crash on State Street.
Like the one you had on the news the other day where it flipped upside down. I had just been down there. That must have been horrendous.
Signals years ago on Foothill Road made a difference for one resident.
When they put those lights in, it slowed everybody down, and it was really beneficial, and it saves lives too.
You'll also be seeing more countdown timers at intersections where they did not exist before. That will help pedestrians make a safe crossing and reduce close calls. And underground, new wiring replaces the no longer reliable components that can be up to 70 years old. Here's your lockout in 3, 2, 1. In Santa Barbara, I'm John Palmentary. Traffic was redirected in and around the intersection for about an hour until the area was cleaned up and the 2 vehicles involved were towed away. No public property was damaged.